Good morning, friends. Today we'll try to replace this yellow bulb with a white bulb, white LED light. It's not going to add any value to it. It's just that it's going to look a bit cool with the white light. So let's try the process. So what we are going to do is we are going to put a screwdriver, but be very careful. It's very tight, and you have to do it fast because otherwise the bulb will get heated. I'm working with the boot open, so the bulb will keep on glowing continuously. So you want to be very careful and fast with it. So once the bulb comes out, there's a socket. It's getting very hot, so you have to quickly remove the socket so that it you can do it fast. So this is the socket. It has got a clip, so you have to pull the clip in order to get it out of the socket. And here is the bulb. It's actually very hot. The bulb is inside the enclosure. You have to open this now. So once you open the cover, there is the bulb inside. It's a filament bulb, so I'm going to replace it with an LED bulb. We have shown the LED. This is the LED bulb, and it's going to give us white lights. Now the LED bulb is installed, so I'll just do a test by connecting the coupler to see if this is working before putting the enclosure in. So it is working. I've put the coupler in. Now let's put the assembly back into it. So it's now fitted back into it, and now we are going to get white light into this light. It's not a feature or something, but it looks good, the white light. Thanks for watching.